Hello friend, this is Prashant. Today from this video we are going to learn about sets. Before discussing about sets problems, let's discuss few important required formulas of sets. Sets. Okay, one number there is NA union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, or N only A plus N only B plus N A intersection B. For and again, for if we need to calculate N only A, we need to do N A minus N A intersection B. Likewise, for calculating N only B, we need to do N B minus N A intersection B. And another is NU equal to N only A plus N only B plus N A intersection B, or N only A plus N only B plus N A intersection B plus N A union B complement. Look guys, in those formulas there is two types. Here is for calculating NA union B, there is two types of formula for NA plus NB minus NA intersection B, and N only A plus N only B plus NA intersection B. Look guys, how did these formulas are used? If question mention only, then we need to use this formula. If question doesn't mention only, then you need to use this formula. Likewise here, if question mention as union complement, then we need to use this formula, and if question doesn't mention as union complement, then we need to use this formula. Okay, these are the two required important formulas for sets. Okay, let's discuss few minutes for Venn diagram. If in sets, if we solve question by making Venn diagram, we feel very easy to solve the problems. So let's see in Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, it's a union set. One is for A and another is for B. We always need to start fill up from intersection part. Intersection NA intersection B. Another is N only B, N only A, and this out of these two solve are NA union B complement. Okay guys, friends, let's look. Here is NA, N only A means here to till here, and N only B means here to here, and NA means whole. NA means we N only A plus NA intersection B. NA means N only A plus NA intersection B, and likewise NB equal to N only B plus NA intersection B. Likewise, for calculating NB, we need to do N only A plus NA intersection B. Okay, now let's do one questions. Let's solve one question. In a survey of 125 people, it was found that 120 people like to play football, and 85 people like to play cricket. Then find so the above information in Venn diagram. Another is find the number of people who like both game or player who like or who play both game And in number third, find the number of people who play only football and cricket. Number 4, okay. Number 4, okay, let's do this much. In mathematics, guys, friends, always try to understand question nicely before starting a solve. Let's discuss this question. In a survey of 125 people survey of 100, that means it is a total number, and it was found that 120 people like to play football, 120 people like to play football, and 85 people like to cricket. 120 like to play football and 185 like to play cricket. Now they told us to show the above information in Venn diagram. We have to show this information in Venn diagram, and another is find the number of people who like both game. We have to find the number of people who like to play or who like both game. That means intersection, and what here is an intersection. We have to find intersection, and then the find the number of people who play only football and cricket. That means we have to find only football and only cricket. We have to find this. Guys, look, you may be confused in here one thing. Look here, sometimes question is maybe like this. Find the number of people who doesn't like both game. Look, here is also both, and here is also both game. Here is also both game, here is also both game. But here, look, here in this question, here is doesn't. That means if question mention doesn't, that means we have to find an A union B complementary. Always, guys, always, friends, you need to make a concept that if question mention doesn't, then we need to find A union B complement. Okay, guys, let's start to solve this question. Okay, solution. Let F and C for football and cricket respectively. It means F is represented football and C represented cricket. Okay, guys. Okay, now question given us what total number NU is how much? 125, and another is football, and how much? Football is 120, and another is cricket, NC means cricket, how much? 85, and we have to find F intersection C, how much? F intersection C is what, right? And another is we have to find N only F here, guys, here N only F also what, N only C also what. You have to find this all. Okay, now let's start. Let an F intersection C equal to X. Okay, now in Venn diagram, now if we make a Venn diagram, then we may be easy to solve the problems of set. Okay, in Venn diagram is an union set. One is for football and one is for cricket. Okay, before I already told you, we always need to start to fill the Venn diagram from intersection. Intersection part is this, and you have intersection is X, and now we have to fill here N only F. That means we have to get here is only NF, so we have to find out N only F. We have formula to find N only F, that is NF minus F intersection C. That is NF is how much? 120, and F intersection C is X, and another, that means N only F is how much? 120 minus X. Another is N only C, and C minus N F intersection C. Last time we also this formula is also written, and C means how much? And C means 85 minus F intersection is C is X. That means N only C is 85 minus X. Now we show the information in Venn diagram. Now we have to write from above Venn diagram. from above Venn diagram. That means from this Venn diagram, NU equal to, we have formula N only A plus N only B plus N A intersection B. Here last time we saw that two formulas are there for NU. One is N only A plus N only B plus N A intersection B, and another is plus N A union B complement. We doesn't use that second formulas N only A plus N only B plus N A intersection B plus N A union B complement, because question doesn't mention us the mention us complement. So complement. So we are using these formulas. NU is how much? 125. N only A is how much? Sorry, here is football and cricket. We are doing football and cricket. N only F is 120 minus X. 120 minus X plus N only C is how much? 85 minus X. And F intersection C is X. Okay, look guys, look friends, in front of this X is positive, in front of this X is negative, so positive negative are cancelled. 125 minus now rest number are 120 minus X plus 85. Look friend, in front of this this number is positive, and in front of this also positive. That means these two numbers are added. 125 equal to, that means 205 minus X. This 120 plus 85 is 205. Okay, now 125 in front of this number is positive sign. That means when we take this number here, we change the sign. That means positive changes into negative. 205 equal to minus X, or 205 minus 125 means 5 minus 5 0 0, 2 doesn't minus, so we make one borrow. Here is 10 minus 2 means 8, 1 cancel. That means 80 equal to, sorry, minus 80 equal to minus X. Here we take minus because this 205 is bigger than 125, and 205 has what sign? Negative sign. So here also negative cancel, or X equal to 80. X means what? F intersection C. We get F intersection C is how much? 80. Now again we have to find what? N only F. Now again we have to find N only F. For N only F is what? NF minus N F intersection C. NF means how much? 120, and F intersection C is how much? Here we get 80. 120 minus 80 means 40. And another is what? N only C. N only C. NC minus NF intersection C equal to, NC means how much? NC is 85 minus how much? 80. That means N only C is 5. Okay guys, then we get the answers. Therefore and F intersection C, the number of people who play or like both game are how much? 80. And N only F, the number of people who play football only is how much? 40. And N only C, the number of people who play only cricket is almost 5. Okay guys, like this ways we solve this CS problem by using that formulas. Okay guys, this much for today. We will meet with another video as soon as possible. Have a good day.